Assalamu alaikum friends, here is Alina Khan. In this video, we will learn about normal English versus advanced English. In normal English, instead of saying, I have received your message, but in advanced English, you can say that, I have got your message. In normal English, instead of saying, do you want to say something? But in advanced English, you can say that, wanna say something? In normal English, I will tell you. But in advanced English, you can say that, I will let you know. In normal English, instead of saying, I am hungry. But in advanced English, you can say that, I am starving. In normal English, I am very happy. But in advanced English, you can say that, I am over the moon. In normal English, instead of saying, I am going to the market. But in advanced English, you can say that, I am off the market. In normal English, I am going to eat my dinner. But in advanced English, we can say that, I am going to have my dinner. In normal English, I want to buy this. But in advanced English, I want to get this. In normal English, I can't tolerate with this. But in advanced English, we can say that, I can't put up this. In normal English, I am busy. But in advanced English, I am swamped. In normal English, we ended our relationship a year ago. But in advanced English, we can say that, we busted up a year ago. In normal English, he was born in a rich family. But in advanced English, we can say that, he was born with a silver spoon. In normal English, I hate this song. But in advanced English, I am not fond of this song. In normal English, that's so impressive. But in advanced English, you can say that, that's next level. In normal English, instead of saying, I am going to have to spend a lot of money to buy it. But in advanced English, you can say that, I am going to have to really splash out to buy it.